Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing Retaine PM Economy Size Nighttime Ointment. So this Lubricant Eye Ointment for Severe Dry Eyes by OCuSOFT. This stuff is awesome. I am a power user of this stuff. Highly recommended. No, I'm not sponsored by them. I would love to be sponsored by them because I buy so much of this. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. But I love this stuff because I have severe dry eyes, and this is amazing. Like, it's the best nighttime ointment I have used. It's really really thick, lasts really long. It's better than all the other nighttime ointments I've tried for my eyes. Here's what it looks like. Wow. Yeah, here's the tube, what it looks like. Mineral oil 20%, white petroleum 80%, but it's really good. The texture is amazing. This is seriously the best nighttime ointment I have ever used, and I've tried them all. I think I really have. But let me know in the comment section if you guys like another eye ointment for nighttime. Let me know if you like another brand over this one. I would love to hear recommendations. All right, everyone, hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.